Recording the sewer line here at 8627. Recording the sewer line here at 8627 Wabash. Dates February 24th, 2021. We're going to do this kind of quickly because I'm running out of battery juice here. But there's the Seattle City main. We've zeroed out the footage. We're coming back from there in 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Come back out of the 6-inch now into the 4-inch. So we're looking at, I'm going to call it 32 feet of 6-inch. Coming back into the 4-inch diameter now. We're going to zero out our footage again. There we go. It's working with me today. Perfect. 4-inch diameter clay now coming back. Very small flat spot out there. I'm not too concerned about it. Turn there. Back into concrete here, so we've transitioned materials. And then I believe we're coming back into plastic. Yes, back into plastic at this point. So I'm going to call that 45 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe, 32 feet of 6-inch. We're back in plastic. I'm going to come up out of the clean out here. There's our clean out access we're making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there and do a little locating.